Scout Kids!
Hi! Our lesson for today is all about the cleaning materials. Okay, first is broom. Broom is using for clean well on many surface, getting rid of dirt on floors and carpet. Mop. Mop is to soak up liquid for cleaning floors and other surfaces, to mop up dust, or for other cleaning purposes. Trash can. Trash can is a container, usually of metal or plastic, for the disposal waste of matter, especially kitchen refuse. Rubber gloves. Rubber gloves is a protection of the hands while performing the task involving chemicals. Dish towel. Dish towel is drying dishes and utensils, and also drying hands, wiping up spills, and disinfecting countertops. Sponge. Sponge is used for personal cleaning, bathing, general hygiene, but also for cleaning your house, car, or just about anything else. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner is a device that uses suction to clean dirt, debris from various surfaces, including carpet and hard floors. Washing machines. Washing machines is a device that clean clothes and other textiles using water and electricity. Spray cleaner. Spray cleaner is a small container that used for disinfect, cleaning electronics, and removing grease and grime. Tissue. Paper tissue is commonly used for personal use as facial tissue, napkins, bathroom tissues, and household towels. Liquid soap. Liquid soap is a liquid that used to wash your hands, face, body, etc. Laundry basket. Laundry basket is used to keep clean and dirty laundry collected and organized, and can prevent clothes from getting lost or mixed up. Squeegee. Squeegee is a tool with a rubber blade that can be used for removing water from windows after washing, sweeping water from wet decks, etc. Bucket. Bucket is a container with a wide open top and a handle that is mainly used for carrying liquids.